Tagalog tayo, mga hugis.
Hugis. Bilog.
Bilog, very good.
Circle.
Circle. Very good.
Triangle.
Triangle. Very good.
Square.
Square. What is this?
The rectangle.
Rectangle.
The oval.
Next is
Pentagon.
pentagon. This is pentagon.
The hexagon.
And then this is
The octagon.
very good.
The circle.
This is
The triangle.
very good.
I want square.
Square. Good job. And this is what is shape?
The rectangle.
Rectangle. Next is
Oval
very good. What is the shape is this, lab?
is the pentagon.
Pentagon. This is pentagon po. Next po.
Mommy, turn around.
Ay, turn around.
Mommy.
Mali.
Oh no.
Yung smile, ayun.
Good job, Mom. Hexagon.
Hexagon. This is
The octagon.
octagon.
Good job.
Good job. O, sa Tagalog tayo, mga hugis.
Okay. Bilog.
Bilog. Very good.
Bali.
Hindi. Tatsulok.
Siluk.
Tatsulok. Oh, next.
Bali suka.
Very good.
Bali haba.
Very good.
Pictures is not the oval.
Ay, in Tagalog is
The
obalo or habi.
no.
Oh,
Ovalo.
oh, very good.
Octagonal.
Next po,
Octagonal.
hexagono. Next po,
Octagonal.
octagono. Galing! Mga hugis.
Hugis. Bilog.
Very good. Next is,
Tatsiluk.
uy, very good. Ang galing.
Bali suka.
Very good.
Bali haba.
Very good.
Obla.
Obalo.
Ovalo. Good job.
Good job.
Pentagonal.
Pentagono.
Hexagonal.
Hexagono. Very good. Ay.
Octagonal.
What? Ano yun? Octagono.
Octagonal.
Very good. Galing.
Colors.
Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. God bless.